If you want to clear cache on your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, then in that case, most of the time you just have to completely uninstall the app and then install it one more time. Unfortunately, there is no dedicated option, setting, button, whatever, that would allow you to just simply clear cache on your iPhone 17 and get rid of the cache files of a specific app. Therefore, this is why we need to completely remove the app from our phone and then install it again. There is actually one exception, I believe, and it is the Safari browser. In this case, we can go to settings and scroll down to apps over here, and then we can go to Safari. There we go. And in here we should be able to find the option that allows us to clear the cache. Let me actually try to locate it. It is over here where we have history and website data, clear history and website data. So this option actually allows you to clear cache as well. This mostly clears the history and website data as it says, but it also includes cache as well. And yeah, over here if we go to advanced, I don't think there is much more that we can find. Maybe we can just get rid of the website data in here, and it seems that that is all. We can also block all cookies and so on, but yeah, this is all we got. In the case of other apps, you just have to remove them from your phone. You want to delete the app and then install it again with the App Store. And this is unfortunately the only way to clear cache. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.